So today we're going to do a little series about the side pass. So I'm riding Trooper right here, and I'm going to walk along the wall, and then I'm going to do a hind quarter yield. Once we're moving straight, now I'm going to yield the hind quarters. So that's the starting off point. Could I yield the hind quarters? Can I yield the hind quarters to a stop? My next step, I'm going to use my wall once again, and I'm going to come down along the wall, and then I'm going to do that hind quarter yield and open it up to a couple steps. And again, I want my horse to win, so 2 or 3 steps are just fine. Hind quarter yield, opening up to my side pass. If I were to go to a competition, there's probably going to be some type of obstacle that I have to pass over. So I could use my mounting block as one of those obstacles. What I like to do is line that up with my shoulder, and then I'm going to ask my horse to side pass. I'm going to start a little further away because it does give him room to see it. So as I advance on my side passing drills, I want to kind of set up a little bit more of a challenge for my horse. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come across this cavaletti pole that's on the ground, and I'm going to keep side passing till I pass over my mounting block. So I like to work with different elevations, high and low, some things that are on the ground, some things that are a little bit more elevated when I'm working on my side pass. As I continue to work on my side pass, I've set these cones again to side pass. They're slightly elevated off the ground, and we want to kind of get through clean without knocking any of them over. So here we go. I'm going to line them up. Once I get moving, I really don't like to look at those cones. I like to look straight ahead. So it almost looks like it's his idea to side pass across the cones. These trail competitions, whether it's in an arena or out on the trail, there's always a beginner, an intermediate, and then an advanced component. So right here, I have set up my cavalettis in a Z-shaped pattern. So this is side passing a Z. So I'm going to come into my cavalettis. I'm trying to line it up. So we're going straight across. And then on this first one, I'm going to have to yield the hind quarters. Continue. Then I'm going to yield the front quarter. And we're going to try to get through the Z pattern without chipping a toenail, so to speak, on those cavaletti poles. Every time there's a click on the pole, that's 5 points off. So I hope those little drills are helpful. That's something during the winter months that you can work on. Again, not necessary to have an arena, but if you're in the arena or if you're just right outside your barn door practicing, have fun doing it. That's the most important thing. Break it down step by step so that your horse understands what you're asking them to do.